Spring is the best time of the year to get potting old pot plants, refresh the soil and give them a new lease of life. You know, it doesn't matter whether it's an old zygocactus like this one or maybe some of your indoor plants, they can all do with repotting. Soils typically remain productive for about 12 to 18 months before they need to be replaced. And now is the best time to do it if you want to bring your plants back to life. The first thing you do is take them out of their pots. The telltale signs a plant is tired is a lack of healthy foliage. And when you look at the root ball, it's full of roots, to the point where soil is scarce. This is a classic root-bound plant, and fixing this now will see the plant recover and look better in just weeks. Bang the soil off the roots, break them up, don't be scared to pull them apart. I know it seems harsh on the surface, but this kind of root pruning will initially shock the plant and we'll see it rapidly return to a strong, healthy look. Now, one really important trick if you want to get amazing results is to do this. So grab yourself some of this Seasol Gold and just mix it into a bucket of water. Okay, so what you want to do is basically take all of your plants here, these individual plants now that have had the soil banged off their roots, and pop them in and let them sit in the water for about 10 minutes. Now, believe it or not, one of the great things about Seasol is that it reduces transplant shock dramatically. Not just that, it stimulates new root growth, and when you get that new root growth, you'll get a mass of little fine feeder roots. Now, these take off, and this supercharges the plant, getting the very best growth and recovery result in a very, very short period of time. Then you want to prepare your pot with special potting mix like this. It's been formulated to get the very best results for all plants, and it actually has Seasol Gold and a wetting agent in it. It's got the red ticks and a slow-release plant food as well that'll support strong growth for up to 4 months. Now, a quality potting result will get down to you using quality potting mix. And if you're not sure, look, you can always look for a trusted and reliable brand like this. They'll have things like organic, seaweed, also fertilizers in there to make sure that they get off to the best possible start. And once you've got your plants in there and they have settled down, they'll take off and grow like crazy. If you move through all your potted plants now and upgrade the soil they're growing in the next few months, you'll see amazing growth results and stunning potted gardens around your house and patio areas. The trick is to do it now though. It doesn't matter if it's an indoor plant or a potted outdoor shrub, they all benefit from repotting, and a good dose of nutrients to get them bursting away will really help.